The 2025 Smart Garden Revolution: How to Grow More with Less Effort. As the global focus intensifies on sustainability, food security, and climate resilience, smart gardening is emerging as a powerful solution, especially for home gardeners. In 2025, we're seeing a massive shift in how people approach their gardens and vegetable patches. It's no longer about back-breaking labor or large plots of land. It's about precision, technology, and sustainable efficiency. Whether you live in an apartment with a balcony or have a modest backyard, the smart garden revolution is for you. The most significant trend right now is automated container gardening. These compact systems are ideal for urban environments and small spaces. They integrate self-watering mechanisms, soil moisture sensors, and AI-controlled light exposure. What makes them ideal for podcast discussion is their modular nature. You can visualize them easily. Boxes stacked in vertical frames, each housing a specific vegetable or herb. In 2025, smart containers come with companion apps that guide you through planting cycles, alert you to nutrient deficiencies, and even help you rotate crops digitally for maximum yield. For listeners, this is about turning a smartphone into a greenhouse controller. The buzz around AI-assisted growing is massive, and it taps into the broader narrative of tech-enhanced lifestyles. Next, there's the growing popularity of bio-intensive companion planting. It's not new, but in 2025, it's getting a smart update. The idea is simple. Certain plants grow better together. But now, instead of using trial and error, gardeners are using plant pairing algorithms to decide what goes where. Picture a garden split into colorful zones: basil beside tomatoes, beans near corn, marigolds ringed around lettuces. Companion planting apps let you input your garden size and desired crops, then spit out optimal planting plans. This method increases yields, reduces pests naturally, and helps retain soil fertility. It's trending because it supports the no-chemical movement and aligns with regenerative gardening ideals. Your audience can easily imagine these combinations on a visually striking poster, divided into triangular or quadrilateral plots, each illustrating a pair of symbiotic crops. Another trend reshaping the home garden is the microclimate management technique. Climate unpredictability is a key concern in 2025, and gardeners are responding by creating adaptive zones within their green spaces. This involves strategic shading, reflective mulch, windbreaks, and heat traps, passive methods that help regulate temperature and moisture. For instance, using vertical garden walls to block wind or placing water barrels to gardeners are learning to read their own backyards like mini ecosystems. It's a concept that translates well into a diagram. One section showing a shaded area with leafy greens, another with sun-loving peppers behind a heat-retaining stone wall, another under netting for humidity-sensitive herbs. No tech needed, just smart planning. Finally, seed sovereignty and local varietal revival is a powerful movement gaining momentum. In 2025, there's a strong emphasis on saving, sharing, and trading seeds of climate-resilient and heritage crops. Home gardeners are becoming amateur seed banks. This isn't just nostalgia. It's a practical move as seed prices climb and biodiversity shrinks. Many are joining neighborhood seed co-ops, attending seed swap events, and growing rare cultivars adapted to local conditions. This also ties into food culture as people rediscover heirloom tomatoes, native legumes, or ancient grains suited to their region's changing climate. For podcasters, this story carries emotional weight and cultural depth. A visual can feature a rustic tabletop with packets of hand-labeled seeds, jars with dried beans, and infographics showing germination timelines or cross-pollination paths. It's one of the most empowering gardening practices of the decade.